Morning everyone, happy 7th of December. I hope you're all really well. It's a Saturday, it's going dark, it might not be morning, it might actually be late afternoon. Just start again. Afternoon everyone, how are you? Doesn't sound the same, does it? Join me the other side of the intro and shall we have some more Christmas crazy fun? I think so. You ready? Hit it, maestro. Christmas shopping, getting the last bits. What have you been doing? You having a fun day? I'm not even centre of the screen. I haven't set this up very well at all today. Oh, have I? So let me just jiggy you along. Move the camera slightly. Oh, this is all the technical stuff the experts do beforehand. There you go. I recorded a planning video this morning and I recorded it and then I realised at the end that my camera hadn't been on for most of it. But there you go. It's just basics, isn't it? But anyway, as you can see, I might think it's Halloween. But you ready? Shall we do some more magic? Ready, steady, kaboom! And there we have it. We now have a Christmas spirit jersey. So anyone who hasn't got Christmas ones, don't worry, just dot. Phil does feel quite sorry for me. He does. He does. Not enough yet. We'll get there. So you ready? We've got to do it, haven't we? So, have we got it? We have got the 7th of December 2019. Lights, camera, action! Just got to do it every time, haven't I? I love that. Put it back down by the wall. So, there's something different about me, can you tell? Can you notice what's different about me? Can you see? Just there. Just there. Just there. There's a kiss. I went into the kitchen, I said, oh son, make us a cup of tea for my video because I'm eating some chocolate. And he's like, no. I said, well, if you're not going to do that, give me a kiss so it's here. And I can still feel it. So it's obviously not gone all the way to my heart yet. And he said, if you say there's someone to kill you, well, there you go, Blake. I have told everyone about the kissing. He's outside with the boys at the minute and he doesn't know. So then, what have we got today? So we'll start off with our advent calendar. So, box number 7. Where is number 7? Come in, number 7. Yeah, can you believe I recorded that video this morning? And yeah, I haven't got the camera on. I mean, that's a basic thing, isn't it? You'd think I'd know by now. And we have got a white chocolate pudding. From one pudding to another. It's the only time I'm quiet. I've got my Hollywood Studios mug, which, don't tell them I've watched Rise of the Resistance. I have. Because I needed to know if I could go on it. Yeah, I said that. I did say that. Remember when we had a 3-week, did I tell you? We had a 3-week Disney trip booked and we should have flown out on the 14th. And then Savannah's going to be an intern in New York in the summer, so we really need to help her. And so we cancelled it. And so last minute we just booked a week. We have. But I'm going to be really good. I've told them I'm not going to take my camera. I'm not. I might smuggle it. But I'm not. Yeah, that's what I've said. And I'm taking all social media off my phone. I am. So it's just a week of laughter and fun. But if you see me in the parks, please come and say hello because I'd love that. I love that. But yeah, normally I'm on like Facebook and then I'm on Instagram and YouTube and I do that all the time. So it takes up so much of our day. So I said I'm just going to take it all off my phone. So it's not there, but I've still got my phone with me because I need it for the Disney and the Universal apps. And I'm thrilled because my Universal tickets, well, our annual passes are still in date. And I only have to replace 2 of the Disney World ones, so I'm really excited. So my Christmas dinner, I'm having a Denny's. What about you? So, right, calendar number 2. We have got the bauble calendar. So where's number 7? Oh, this is darling. Look at this. Oh, that is really pretty. Look at this. Is it silver? Yeah, it's silver. Like a silvery lilac with this pink bow. Sorry, my ring light's right above the camera. Oh, isn't that pretty? You know, this Primark calendar, I'm absolutely loving it. I think it's absolutely fabulous. So I thought I'd be bitterly let down, and I've been fabulously surprised. So yeah. So then we're going to go into the cauldron cat crate, the last of my advent calendars, and that's what it's looking like still. So let's find number 7. Ooh, let's have a look. Where's number 7? Oh, there's one for Christmas Day. Okay. That's number 9. It's not on the top this time. Oh, there we go, right, okay. Found it! So, it's a little one. So I wonder what's in here. Just see number 9. I hope I opened the right one on day 6 and it wasn't meant to be number 9, because, yeah, you know, we put a little line underneath and there wasn't, was there? That's really nice. Oh, that's really nice. You remember, I don't know what day I opened it, the postcard of Hogwarts at night. Well, look, I've now got a pin. And that's just beautiful. That is really beautiful. It's a fantasy pin, and it's Hogwarts at night in the snow globe, and yeah, I love that. And I'm going to be there for Christmas. Yeah. Right, so what are we going to do today? I'm just moving everything out my way. If you could see my table that's just here, I've got a bowl full of boozy fruit ready to make a Christmas cake tomorrow that I'm going to try and record for the other channel. So if you haven't yet, I'll put a card here so it'll take you to it. Yeah, I'm a bit late making my Christmas cake, but all my fruit are nicely sloshed. So yeah, I'm doing that tomorrow. I am. So let's have another drink of my cup of tea. I'll drink it, funnily, from the other side. Right. So then, ages ago, as in months, as in probably 6 months ago, bought these. Unboxing all the mini Funkos was really the thing, and I bought these, and Alison told me about these, and they were £1 each. And I got a complete box, and I'm not sure how many are in here. Should we open it and find out? Oh, okay. So they're actually in little bags. So we've got 2, 3, 4. Right, if I take them out, then I'm not going to lose them. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 2. That doesn't seem right to me. Would they have had 15? I don't know how many there was, but I've got 15. Maybe I ordered 15. I'm pretty useless, aren't I, really? I am pretty useless. Right, so, but inside it does come with 2. She says, ripping the box apart. Ah, dear me. Come on, Karen. Not like Blue Peter even, where we prepare things in advance. Right, how do I get these out? Do they just plop out? Plop. Plop, my favourite word that is, isn't it, at the moment, plop. How many times in a video can I say the word plop? Right. Come out. Where are my scissors? I just had my scissors. Here are my scissors, right. Try cutting the plastic off. There we go. Honestly, I think I get worse. So the one that you want to come out is the Evil Queen. Look at this. So this is Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Isn't she fantastic? So you've got the Evil Queen, and then you have got Snow White. So I've got those two, and I've got 15, and how many are there in the set? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 12 in the set. So you've got all the dwarves, you've got Snow White in 2 outfits, you've got the Queen and the Evil Queen, and you've got Prince Charming, and you've got the 7 dwarves. And so you've got a 1 in 12 chance of getting these. So oh no, the first one's a double, so we got another Evil Queen, but I do really like the Evil Queen. I like people that are mischievous. Is that naughty? And when I was, God, I was older than I am now. When I was 28, and I'm 27 now, so I don't know how that happened. I actually won a holiday to Disney World, first time I've been to America. And it was the year I was getting married, so Phil didn't have any holiday left. And I took my mum, and we had a week, and I planned it around her birthday, her 60th birthday. And we actually went, and it was for all the pre-reservations. Everyone gave £1 to reserve a copy of Snow White. The first time it came out. I shouldn't say things like that, should I? So Snow White's really special to me. It looks sneezy. Look. Oh, these are really cute. Don't know what on earth I'm going to do with them, but they're really cute. Right, okay. Next one. Next one. I've always loved Dopey. I don't know what it is. There's just something about him. He's the underdog, isn't he? And I just feel very akin to him. I don't know why. I'm not an underdog, am I? So I don't really know why, but yeah. Oh, and I've got the other Snow White. So we've got Snow White there in her pink dress, whereas on the front it came in her yellow dress. So I got both Snow White. She's really pretty. These are really nice. These really need to be put on a stand or something and super glued down, don't they? I think so. Because it's a box, will I get a full set? We have got the Queen. Look at her, but look at those perfect red lips. I mean, if anyone can do a red lip and a lip line. Next. Is this Happy? I think that's Happy, isn't it? Oh, look. I bet you I get a full set because it's a full box. Because if it is, then you know what to do, don't you? Always get a full box. Right, next. Grumpy. Grumpy. Look at that. Look at those eyebrows. Look. He's got his red and black stripe on. Makes him look like an extra out of Pirates of the Caribbean, doesn't it really? So yeah, it's a Grumpy. Can't believe it's been sat at the corner. I've got so much sat at that corner. Oh, I've got another Sneezy. Oh, so I've got a duplicate Sneezy. So I've got an extra Sneezy. So I've got an extra Sneezy, an Evil Queen. Right, what else? Oh, no, I'm not going to get a full set, am I? Because I've got another Sneezy. So that's 3 Sneezys. Oh, and who's this? Is this, that might be Sleepy. Is that Sleepy? I haven't got one of him, have I? No, I haven't got one of him. I think that might be Sleepy. It's just something, he looks a bit tired, doesn't he? What do you think? Is that Sleepy? I think he might be Sleepy. So we've got Sleepy Sneezy, Happy, Grumpy and Dopey. So we want Doc and... who do you want? Doc and... yeah. We'll figure it out. Oh, and I have got another Dopey, so we've got another Dopey. Okay. That's the last 4. I've got another Snow White. The house, that's a Snow White, is a duplicate. I've got 3 left. And I need 2 dwarves and a Prince Charming. Yeah, I need Prince Charming and I need Doc, Happy. Who are they? There's Doc, Happy, Sleepy, Grumpy, Sneezy, Bashful, and let's do it. So, oh, that's Bashful. Okay, so that's going to be, no, that's not. Oh, damn me, shall we argue when we found out? We're not going to complete them all. Oh, that's really bad. Never mind. So we've got another Snow White in the pink dress. I've got 2 left. Oh, well, I'll get the 2 that I need, that I won't know who they are. Because I've now gone and got another Snow White. Honest to God. And we've got another Evil Queen. So I was missing Prince Charming, Doc, and Happy. Prince Charming, Doc and Happy, because I've got Grumpy, I've got Sleepy and Bashful, I've got Sneezy, and I've got Dopey. So I needed Doc, Happy and Prince Charming. We got there in the end. So those are the ones on the back here. So I needed Prince Charming, I needed Doc, and I needed Happy. And you'd think really a full box, you get them all, wouldn't you? Hope you've enjoyed that. Have a lovely evening. Be good, be kind, take care of yourselves. And I'll see you in the next video, which will be tomorrow. Bye for now, everyone. Bye.